So guys, I'm going to fix my hair and my beard at DB Barbershop, one of the best barbershop in Almaty, Kazakhstan. Yes, let's see, bro. This is the way I just walking to barbershop. Yep, here we go. DB Barbershop is in front. Yes, yes. Yep. Oh, special chair. Cool. With one of the best in Almaty, Kazakhstan.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
yes.
Hello, my people, my brother. Come on, my barbershop, Kazakhstan, Almaty, best of the best.
Yes,
Thank
yes,
you.
thank you so much.
Oh, barbering.
So, yeah, I'm finished with my haircut at TB Barbershop. Is one of the best barber here in Almaty. You know, he said barber have to support barber. That's very nice word from him. Boom.